Did you know the Himalayas are still growing? These majestic mountains are not just beautiful, they are alive. The mightiest peaks on Earth are constantly rising. In this video, we will explore how these giants formed and their importance to our planet. The Himalayas touch 5 countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan. They stretch over 1,500 miles. But how did they come to be? The story begins millions of years ago. 2 massive tectonic plates collided, the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. This collision created the Himalayas. A process called subduction played a vital role in this formation. As the Indian plate pushed under the Eurasian plate, immense pressure formed. Over time, the Earth's crust buckled and folded, giving rise to the peaks we see today. This process didn't happen overnight. It took tens of millions of years. Imagine a slow, dramatic dance of the Earth's forces, shaping landscapes over time. The Himalayas are not just geological wonders. They are crucial for our planet's climate. They act as a barrier, influencing monsoon patterns across South Asia. For example, without the Himalayas, areas like India could become dry and arid. They catch moisture and create lush green valleys. Also, the mountains are home to diverse ecosystems. Unique species, like the snow leopard and red panda, thrive here. This biodiversity is vital for ecological balance. In summary, the Himalayas formed through tectonic forces over millions of years. They play a critical role in our climate and house diverse life forms. So, next time you admire these peaks, remember their story and significance. Visit a nearby national park or contribute to mountain conservation efforts. Join the fight to protect these natural wonders for generations to come.